Spantech offers 4 types of conveyor supports, each designed to provide stability and meet specific operational needs. Our standard supports are constructed from either stainless steel or painted mild steel. These supports feature 2-inch by 2-inch tubing with a 1-inch by 1-inch horizontal cross brace. Our drive supports specifically designed to stabilize the drive end of the conveyor. These supports include an additional extended bottom brace, enhancing the system's overall durability and performance. Our ceiling supports are ideal for facilities with limited floor space. Ceiling supports suspend the conveyor system from above, freeing up valuable floor area and providing a clean, unobstructed floor space. Our new sheet metal supports are crafted with durable, economical sheet metal, offering a more cost-effective solution while maintaining durability and reliability. The easy-to-clean stainless steel or mild steel surfaces make them an ideal choice for industries requiring strict sanitation standards. Each support type is customizable to fit specific system configurations, ensuring optimal performance.